Hello and welcome to Time Warner Cable Community Connection. I'm Beth Wilson. We'll ask any member of the South Grand Prairie High School robotics team and they'll tell you it's not about the robots. Then what is it about? David Ricks is the team mentor and he joins us to answer this very puzzling question. How are you, David?
Pretty good.
Tell us about this robotics team. It sounds like it's really something. I've been to the website. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, well, we're with South Grand Prairie High School Robotics, and our team participates in FIRST, which stands for Inspiration and Recognition of Science and Technology. We compete at the high school level, and we compete with robots that are big robots by most people's standards. A lot of people, when you say robots, think of something you could carry around in your hands.
Right, right.
Our robots typically weigh around 120 pounds and maybe is up to 5 foot tall.
They're the size of a person.
Some depends on what the game is a particular year. Each year in January 8th coming up this year, we'll go take the kids to a teleconference where they'll get introduced to what this year's game is, what the rules are. Then at that point they'll have 6 weeks to build, to design and build the robots.
And it's not necessarily a robot like what you think. This is not the Jetsons. These are robots that may be made anyway, like a moving car or something to that effect?
Yeah, they would be more like the robots you see in industry. They have a specific task to do or set of tasks, and the robots are designed to complete those tasks. Now, they roll around and compete more like a basketball or football game so that it creates some excitement for the kids. But 2 years ago, they were picking up moon rocks. It's kind of the same type of thing that NASA probably tries to figure out how to do.
These are where the next astronauts and scientists come from, through teams like this.
Exactly. That's the whole point of FIRST, is to encourage that involvement in science and technology and that love for science and technology so that our future engineers, mathematicians, scientists, we're giving them a groundwork here and an opportunity to get a good education. With the FIRST program, there are over $14 million available in scholarships for the students.
Wow.
And
just in scholarships.
Just in scholarships. And our students have had great success. We have a student that's on a free ride at MIT. We've got another one who's on a free ride at the University of Texas and actually interned with one of our sponsors this summer with Lockheed Martin.
Oh, that's fantastic. And I would imagine sponsorship is important. It's got to be expensive to run a program like this.
Oh yes, we estimate that if we could do everything we want to do this year, we'd spend well over $30,000. The kids fundraise for some of that, but the big thing they do is go out and get sponsors for the team. It's like I told the kids at the start of this season, we sell batteries and we sell pizzas during lunch for fundraisers. We have to sell an awful lot of pizza and batteries to make $30,000.
Yeah, sometimes it's better to just go ask the big guys for the money.
Yeah, and we have some teams have full sponsorship from corporations that pay the full amount. We actually have a coalition of smaller sponsorships. Our average sponsor is probably somewhere around $1,000. We have a few that are up around the $2,000 or $5,000, but we have a lot of little sponsors, and we're very thankful for them because they make it run. But as we try to grow this program, and we would like to get to the point where we can afford to go to the World Championship when we qualify, and we plan to qualify.
Well, that's the attitude you have to have.
We were lucky enough in 2009 to go to the World Championships in Atlanta. This year we feel like we've got a team that could build a robot that can compete. Our big hurdle will be finding enough finance to pay for the airfare and hotel rooms and registration fees.
Sure, all the things that add up. How many kids are on the robotics team? We
have about 20 who are actively involved. I think we actually have more like 30 on the roster, but 20 is what
those are good numbers. Smart kids to get involved. That's great. David, thank you for coming by.
Thank you for having me.
Best of luck. I hope you get to the World Championship. Be a great representative of North Texas area, right? Yeah. We could have our claim to fame. All right, and thank you for watching. For Time Warner Cable Community Connection, I'm Beth Wilson. Hope you have a good day.